Automation 24/7 family. So in this short video you're going to see how we can draw animals. So drawing animals, so just the shortcut that you have to see is 1F40x alt plus x. So what you need to type is 1F40. Now in place of x you can type any number. In place of 0x basically you can type any number, so you can type either 10 or 09 or 19 and then alt plus x, so you will get different types of animals. Let me try with 1F401 alt x, I get one animal. Then 1F408 alt x, I get another animal. And then 1F405 and then alt and x, I get another animal. So always remember this shortcut whenever you need to draw any sort of animals in MS Word. Thanks for watching.